You're just in time, Rob. Great. Come on out here and Norm will give us a little lesson on putting up roof shingles.
It's a bit of a ways up here.
Okay.
We've just gotten started, so.
Yeah, we just got started. We put this galvanized metal drip edge on the edge here, and that really just gives us some support for the shingles where they hang out in the front. And then we started with a starter course, which is this narrow shingle, and how I made those was just took a regular shingle here and cut off these little tabs.
Norm, what's the purpose of having a starter course?
Starter course is there to give us the coverage we need at the edge of the roof so we don't have any joints exposed right to the drip edge. Plus, we want this sticky surface, these little blobs, to hold this shingle down so it doesn't blow up.
I see.
You know, in the wind and ice. Now, once that was on, I put another shingle up the edge here, along the rake, and I just do that to give a nice straight line to work with because this hangs over our trim just a little bit, just a fraction.
Looks like it's upside down.
That's right, so we can get the rough side down. It doesn't
So
really matter.
It stiffens it up along the edge.
It's a stiffener, yeah.
What are these made of?
These are asphalt fiberglass shingles. They're inorganic. They've been on the market for 20, 30 years. With these, I think you get about a 25-year warranty.
A little bit longer.
Good.
Now, I had a line to guide me for this first course, and I've put another line here, which is the top course of this shingle, which is our first full course.
All right.
And all we do is put that on the line, and we nail it in just above each slot. You put one nail.
I see.
Just about an inch above, and it won't show.
And below that,
sticky.
Just below that sticky stuff.
Okay.
Then, because we're starting right along the edge, I just took several shingles and I cut 6 inches off of one end.
I see.
And what that allows us to do is break the joints
Offset.
back. You never want to have 2 joints in the same line.
All right.
Then to get the distance up that you want to be, you just sight down the edge of the shingle.
All right.
And see the slots that are cut out.
Yep.
You want to just stay even with that.
Okay.
And again, we just nail right there. Now you can start. Actually, what you should do is put on another starter strip. See, because it's gone over the end.
You've got some right on the flank there.
All right.
Just put a nail on each end. Hey Rob, why don't you just continue on down there and I'll put a few more tabs up on this edge.
Okay. Keep the tops right on the red line. Now, you know what happens if you put your nails too low?
No, what's that?
They show.
Uh-oh. Well now, Bob, how does this sticky stuff work here?
The adhesive on the shingles? Well, it's activated by the heat. And you see all that shiny stuff is really, it's nothing but asphalt, essentially. And when you have a full day's sun shining on the shingles, it's going to melt them so that they fuse together. And believe me, it's tough to take them apart once they've gotten. Okay, let's get this one on over here. Line it up so that you'll be able to get the next shingle over it.
Okay.
And drive 3 nails in there.
Slide it down to you a little. Good.
There you go.
Well, Rob, don't put the shingles with good side down, tabs towards the roof. And the reason for that is, see, we just do this all the time. We flip them and they're the right way. And don't put them right on, put them so they'll hit these brackets and get damaged because
they cost
expensive.
Money. Yeah. Just 2 more.
No kidding.
Yeah, you guys are really zipping along. A couple more courses and you'll have them, huh? There you go. That's all you need for now, right, Norm?
Yeah, that should do it. For up here.
Well, gentlemen, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
That's just about it. You're not going to have to worry about this roof for about 25 years, Rob.
That's great.